Hello, and welcome back to Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, we are going to be discussing inserting graphics. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to pick the second slide in our slide deck, and I want to resize it because I want to make room for the graphics. Let's close this one so I can see better. Okay, there we go. Resize. To resize it, and now what we've done basically essentially just added space where we can insert a graphic. To insert a graphic, you go to your graphics tab on your tab bar, and under your images grouping on your ribbon, you select pictures. Now under pictures, you can select pictures from either this device, stock images, or online pictures. And I'm going to share the difference between stock pictures and online images. Online images or online pictures takes us to what we consider like a Bing search. So basically, you're searching online for images. And as you can see on this screen right here, we have everything is listed alphabetically and by categories. So you have the beach and birds, and you have dancing. You scroll down and you see different categories in which to select your image to input into your presentation. So we're going to say just airplane, just for instance. Here you click airplane, and you see there are several images that pertain to airplanes. The thing that I want to point out is to note that in this, where you see here where it says Creative Commons only, is check mark. What Creative Commons only is, if it's checked, that means that anything that you use in this selection is legal. You don't have to worry about copyright infringements or later being sued or brought on charges for using something that you weren't authorized to do. So these right here, Creative Commons, are those that have agreed with Bing and Microsoft that you can use their image. Also, you have a search bar to where you can type in more specifics of what you want if your initial click or your initial category is not what you desire. So for right now, we are doing our slide is called Vision. So we want to do, let's say something about Vision. Click at Vision, and then you see now you have images that pertain to vision. Let's see, let's do this vision right here. You click it, you insert it, and then you have your vision will pop up in your slide. Now notice too also in this version of Microsoft PowerPoint that every time you add an image, you will get your design ideas, which will assist you in making your slide more enhanced. Let's resize this one just so that we can see. Now also you see here you have the publish photos. This is just basically saying that what you're doing, what you're using in this slide is legal. So we don't really need that one. So let's see if we can click and get out of this one. Then we can delete here, press delete. And now you have, so if I want to, if I can share with you before, I can change the design to what we have like here. In fact, that's kind of interesting right there. Now let's stick with that one. And I want to close out design idea. Then we want to go to the next slide, just so we can show you the next slide. You click insert and go to pictures. Now I'll show you the difference. The differences between this device, as I believe we already know, are photos or images that are stored on your computer or the device that you're using. Online takes you to a search engine. Stock photos takes you to a lot of other stocks that are authorized to use by Microsoft. You have images, you have icons, cut out people, stickers. These are the different things that you can use in your presentation. Matter of fact, let's do this B right here. Let's click B. And then once again, you see where we have the design ideas. These are angry looking bee, huh? Resize the bee. Now what's cool about the stock photos is that you have a picture format. On your picture format, you can change the picture, like the border. I add a border to the pictures. Or I can come off here, or I can do picture effects picture layout. Depending on the picture that you select, you can actually change the color of the picture itself. Okay, so I want to take this picture out, and then we do one more. I want to share with you. Let's Control Z. Take out the picture. I just did Control Z. Then we insert, and here's another thing that I wish to share. Go back to our online pictures, and in this one, I want to do a GIF. Now, GIF is just motion. So I go to GIF. I type in, let's see, because I want to do fire. And then type in GIF. And then what GIF does is give you motion that you can insert into your presentation. Now, I wanted to note one thing too. When you're looking at GIFs, the 3 dots at the bottom of each page will let you know whether or not it is a photo or a GIF. This one right here is a photo. What we kind of want to do is look for something that says animation. Here it says file animation. It says animation, in all probability that is one that has motion. So we click, insert. Then we get a little fire. You can see the little flame is flickering. And then you resize it. And then you can move it around. And let's remove this just for the sake of our presentation. Come up there. Okay. Now, so now you have your flickering. So when you have your presentation, this slide itself will have its flicker. So let's redo this again. Go to our beginning. This one we changed. Put in the background, put in the vision to support our vision. I guess our mission is on fire. So we have a fire mission. But that's what I have right now for inserting graphics. We ask that you tune in with us and continue to stay with us, and we go through this together and learn. And as always, God bless you.